Don't be fooled by IRS scams. Learn how the IRS really contacts taxpayers. Scammers are pretending to be IRS agents, using fear and fake calls to trick people into giving up their money or personal information. Could you spot a scam if it happened to you? Knowing how the IRS really communicates can protect you and your wallet. Let me show you exactly what to look for. First things first, the IRS will always start by contacting you through mail. That means an official letter or a notice sent via the United States Postal Services. These letters include detailed information about the issues, what they're asking for, and your rights as a taxpayer. In some cases, they might send certified or registered mail that requires your signature. Now, in rare situations, an IRS officer might visit your home or business. This happens for things like audits or delinquent taxes. But here is what's important. If they show up, they'll provide 2 forms of official identification, including a photo ID and a serial number you can verify. And let's be clear on this point. They will not demand immediate payment on the spot, especially not through gift cards, wire transfers, or prepaid debit cards. That's a huge red flag for a scam. The IRS might also communicate through their official website or by calling you to schedule an appointment, but only after contacting you by mail first. Before we continue, if you know someone that can find this information useful, please share it with them. If you ever receive a call or a message claiming to be from the IRS and it doesn't follow this process, please be very careful. Now let's talk about phone scams. These scammers are actually very clever. They'll use tactics like threats, urgency, or even spoofing their caller ID to make it look like it's coming from the IRS. They might say you'll be arrested, deported, or lose your license if you don't pay immediately. But here's the truth. The IRS will never threaten you, demand instant payment, or ask you for personal information like your social security or bank account details over the phone. If you get a call like this, all you have to do is just hang up immediately. Don't engage. I repeat, do not engage. Then you can also report it to the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration at tic.gov or by calling 1-800-366-4484. You can also forward scam emails to phishing@irs.gov. Finally, let's talk about how to handle genuine IRS communication. If you get a letter, take it seriously. Read it carefully. Understand the issue and check for any errors. If you need to respond, follow the instructions and meet any deadlines. If you disagree with what they're saying, you have the right to dispute it through formal channels. When in doubt, contact the IRS directly using the phone numbers on their official website, irs.gov. Keep detailed records of all correspondences and conversations. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, consider hiring a qualified tax professional to guide you. Unfortunately, scammers are getting smarter, but knowing how the IRS operates puts you one step ahead. If you've received a notice or want help navigating your IRS situation, click on the link below to schedule a confidential consultation.